First of all, we delete the writing on the clothes using clone.
I left you with the parts of me I don't want to see you again. Don't want to write anymore.
After that, use curves to darken the area around the subject.
When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better.
Then go to the effect section, B and W effect, and set to B. Then go to the colors and colorize effect. Set the hue to 214 and fade to 0. We erase the effect of half of her face.
No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night. I just keep crying.
Go to the colorize again and this time set the hue to 296 and fade to 0. Now we will apply this effect to half of her face.
I wish I never said those things. Taking your love is mine to keep. 'Cause now you're my biggest regret. And it's not even a secret. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know
Set the blur to 16, set the unsharp to 5, set the saturation to 76, and set the fade to 57. Go to the curves and adjust the curves like in the movie. Now it is finished. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.
No, it's not right. No, it's not